Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to go over the custom trigger option in your ChatHQ portal for your engagement widget. So with the custom trigger, this allows you to set any element on your web page or funnel page as the trigger for opening the widget. So to use the custom trigger, you're going to go to your widget settings, open up the main widget settings, and then here you're going to see use a custom trigger. So when you toggle on this option, you're going to see the custom trigger ID field appear below. So in this field, you are going to paste your custom trigger ID, and we're going to go over that in a second. And then below that, you have the option to toggle on or off your floating action button. So if you have this toggled on, then it is going to show this floating action button. If you have this toggled off, it will not show that floating action button and will only trigger the widget if they select the element that you have pasted the trigger ID for here. So to get your trigger ID, I'm going to jump into a funnel builder and I'm going to show you where to get that. So here I am in my funnel builder. I have a very simple layout here. I have a button, I have a headline, paragraph, and a form. So if I want someone to open up the widget, I want them to click on this open widget button. So this is going to be the element that I choose. So you can select the element that you want to use. I'm going to use this open widget button. And you're going to see all the settings appear over here on the right hand side. Go over to advanced and then scroll all the way down and you're going to see the CSS selector here. So we're going to copy that code. Just click on the copy button here and then we're going to jump back into our ChatHQ portal. All right, back in our ChatHQ portal, you're going to take that code that you copied from your element and you're going to simply paste that trigger ID there and then remove that hashtag because we already have that hashtag in there for you. And then you can go ahead and click on the save option here. Now I'm going to jump into the funnel page and I'll show you what this looks like. All right, so here I am in my funnel page and you'll see my open widget button. So when I click on the open widget, you're going to see the widget appear here. Now, if I close that, you're not going to see that anymore. The floating action button is not there because I have that toggled off. And if I click on open widget again, then you're going to see that widget appear again. And that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.